I'm Tieesha, back with another great video. I missed y'all so much. Yes, I'm happy to be back and, you know, get in this groove of recording and uploading and sharing with everybody and connecting. Just want to say thank you so much for connecting with me, rocking with me, supporting me. I really, really appreciate you. I went to go get my hair straightened. And I'm like, yeah, I can go and get, you know, a professional, you know, shampoo service, deep conditioner, all that good stuff, and a trim. And as she was straightening my hair, I noticed that, like, she was getting, she used the blow dryer, and then she did like one pass with the flat irons, and I think she was using chi irons. I have my own set here, and the only action they really got in was when my sister came down here and she used them. But yeah, I've hardly ever used these. I'm quick to do a braid out, twist out, you know, about my business. I noticed as she was straightening my hair, she got about right here in the crown area. And I noticed she cut the blow dryer on again and took the blow dryer through my hair. Then I realized that I started smelling this, gosh, nasty smell. And so I'm like, that ain't me. I look across the, you know, the salon, and there's another sister over there. She had a sew in and like a closure, and she was getting that done, and the lady was over there straightening and pressing out her sewing. I'm like, that's her hair. And I didn't realize it till almost at the end. I'm like, is that me? I'm like, my hair smells horrible. My hair never smells horrible. And so I'm thinking like, okay, maybe her flat irons was dirty. I get up, I look in the mirror. Man, she gave me the church lady special, the Southern church lady special. I said, you know, I wanted a cute bob style. And what I was going for, if I could find a picture, was something like, you know, this, whatever I put in here. But she had me walking out looking like James Brown, and he just had a birthday. You know, rest in power. Let me know if you checked out my Augusta vlog that I just uploaded. I'm like, oh my gosh. Then they made me wear face panties in there, but I could still smell the odor of my hair burning. So I came home, and I'm like, yeah, this is cute. I have all this body in my hair, you know, all this, but it stank. And yeah, it ruined my plans for that evening, and I'm like, wow, this is really terrible. So I came home, I got my shampoo, my tea tree shampoo. I'm shampooing my hair. I put my matching tea tree conditioner in, let that set, rinse it out. My hair still smelled horrible. Horrible. My hair was terrible. I was so mad, disgusted. Damn near $100 less than what I left out and came back in with. And I'm like, I just went to sleep. I was just so burnt out. I'm like, wow, I was really looking forward to having a good time tonight. And I woke up about 11 o'clock at night because I was hungry. But the smell, oh my gosh, like I had 2 towels on the bed so that my pillows, you know, it wouldn't get into the pillows. That smell, each time I turned my head, I was smelling that burnt corn chip and feet smell. Absolutely terrible. So I'm looking online, okay, what can I do to get rid of this smell? I'm seeing there was some YouTubers, they had some videos on getting that flat iron burnt hair smell out. One recommended a product that I think has been discontinued, so I'm like, that's not going to work. Then another one, she had a video that was talking about putting honey in your hair, and I'm like, okay, I kind of sort of need my honey. I like to drink my tea, and that's my sweetener I use. But I was very skeptical about the honey removing that odor. So what I did was, I remembered I was watching an Instagram video where a sister was shampooing a brother's locks. And I remember she had on gloves and she had this powder substance. Turns out that was baking soda. And then I remember she poured apple cider vinegar on his locks. And I'm like, that might work. I get up at midnight. I'm walking around the house. I have no baking soda. I look in the refrigerator. There's no baking soda. I'm like, dang. I know I had a box of baking soda. As many times I go to Dollar Tree, no baking soda whatsoever. I'm like, damn, you know, I'm not fixing to go to 7-Eleven and pay $7 for a box of baking soda, and I'm not going to go out at midnight and get that anyway. And I'm not going, and this sucks because, you know, the Wally closes because of, you know, Climax 19. But I got an idea. I remembered I did have some baking soda in this house. Baking soda carpet cleaner. Oh my gosh. Now this is a big disclaimer, okay? Do not try this at home, okay? I did it because I was prepared. I'm like, look, if this don't work, I got a new Venus razor in there. I will go ahead and shave it bald again. I'll just start over bald again for 20 deuce 1, okay? The ingredients are sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, hydrated silica, which is found in shampoos and other hair products, and the next ingredient is fragrances. That's also in our shampoos, our hair products. So I'm like, okay, this should really knock this damn smell out. So here it is. By this time it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I grabbed my towel, a new towel, my tea tree shampoo as well, and this baking soda fresh sensations. And I wet my hair, and then I get my tea tree shampoo, I lather it up, lather my hair real good, and then I rinsed that, and then I went back in, got some more tea tree shampoo, and I shook some of the baking soda in my hand, got it all up in there, massaged it in super good, rinsed that out. Then I did this about 3 times, okay? 3 times to get that smell out. I make sure I focus on certain areas, focus on that, massage it in. I gotta tell you, it got the smell out. It got the smell all the way out. Oh my gosh. And I was able to sit there. I made sure I did another conditioner in my hair. I put a plastic bag on it, joker. Just chilled out for about 30 minutes, watched something on TV, and then rinsed it out in cool water. And then I did, you know, a braid. I put in some Miss Sealy braids. Woke up the next day. Well, actually, the next day I did not take my braids out. I wore a head wrap because I went to the Pan-African Fest. So I put that on because I was feeling real discouraged. So I was like, I really now don't feel like going nowhere. But I went out there, I put that on. And then Sunday, and then the next couple days, I just rocked my braid out. And it works. My hair is so mother flipping soft. Like, my curls are very much defined. I'm really happy that I did not end up with any heat damage to my hair. I will not let anyone flat iron my hair. I will do it my damn self. And I will start on the lowest temperature and work my way up. I'm thinking that some people, when they see natural, and I think it is sort of like, you know, a bias on your curl pattern. They think like, oh, that, you know, real coarse hair. And I paid a lot just for a shampoo, a trim, and a James Brown hairstyle. It was damn near $100. So I'm like, did I get charged like a natural hair surcharge or something like that? I'm like, this some bull. And I really don't agree with that, because I could go to Cincinnati, get a style that, you know, I wouldn't have to come back home and wash out the same day. From my niece, shout out to her. I will put her information in the description. If you're in Cincinnati, you can go holler at her and get, you know, your hair laid, okay? But some of the products I had on hand to press out my hair without, you know, resulting in damage. This here is the Chi 44 Iron Guard. And I also have Design Essentials leave-in conditioner and blow drying lotion. I use this when I want to kind of stretch my hair. I blow dry my hair on cool, and I put this on there, and that's when like I want to kind of like make it look a little longer and fuller versus, you know, the shrinkage, you know, with the curls. But it's perfectly fine. And then another item I have here is it's by Chi as well, Keratin Mist, a leave-in strengthening treatment. And sometimes when I need moisture in my hair, especially through these winter months we just got out of, I use Design Essentials, pretty much anything with moisture, all that good stuff. I needed it. And now that it is summer, well, we're getting into summer where we have the humidity here in Georgia. My hair loves the humidity. So I know that my hair is going to thrive over the next couple of months. So I'm going to do my best to maintain length, the health, and yeah, not let anybody damn near damage my hair. Hope you guys saw this video. I am Excited that I have so many more natural sisters. We are embracing who we are, loving ourselves the way we are. And the brothers, my heart goes out to y'all because y'all just been showing you girls so much love. Y'all have so many encouraging words to say, so many lovely compliments. I really appreciate you, and we appreciate you. So we're going to continue glowing in our natural, you know, being our natural selves, loving ourselves from the inside out, and encouraging everybody to do the same thing too. Make sure you check out my natural hair journey. I'll put some different products that I'm using as well, because you change, but I'm getting more into this keep it simple hair routine. You know, I even used and made my own flaxseed gel. So let me know if you want me to do a video on flaxseed gel. I did that before I had my braids in. Absolutely love it. I was putting the flaxseed gel in my hair, on my face. Oh my gosh, yes, flaxseed gel. It's the ish word, okay? I love y'all so much. Have a great night, and I will see y'all on the next video.